Danya, when we talk about the obstruction piece, because that I think we have the most reporting around, is there one thing that stands out to you as the smoking gun? Is it the video? Is it the audio tape of Trump admitting he knows he didn't declassify these documents? Is it the security camera footage of folks moving boxes in and out of the storage room? Is it the draining of the pool that floods the IT room where the security camera footage is kept? Is it the audio diaries from Evan Corcoran, Trump's lawyer, and all this? Is there anything that stands out to you as particularly egregious and unavoidable legally?
Can I answer all of the above? I really do think it's the coming together of all of these facts. You know, I know a lot of these prosecutors personally. They are the best of the best. And of course, this is the most sensitive case that's ever been brought in this country to date. And so they are going to be as meticulous and careful as possible. And so I think they built this brick by brick, and it has become overwhelming. And so I think it really is, you know, every time something else was leaked to the press, you know, it just creates this weight that I think at some point became unavoidable, you know, and too heavy to not bring these charges. So, and I do think, you know, as other people have said, but, you know, I think is a matter of common sense. Were it not for the obstruction piece of it, likely no other charges would have been brought. But that, I think, is what made this really impossible to ignore, impossible not to prosecute, impossible for DOJ to hold its head up high and say, you know, we do follow the law equally, because so many low-level, you know, FBI analysts and other people have been charged for far less. And so I think it was, you know, all of these pieces of evidence that came one after the other, at least came, you know, to us, the public, one after the other, that made this, you know, a very compelling case and an impossible one not to bring.
Impossible not to bring it. Danya Perry, thank you so much for your time tonight.